Behold, the tapestry of time embroidered with wisdom from the farthest corners of the earth, a mosaic formed of timeless insights that have shaped humanity. Imagine if a vision, unseen by our physical eyes, could guide us to harmony and understanding. This is the gift of inner sight, a force that transcends boundaries, binds cultures, and whispers truths from within. True sight comes not from our eyes, but from our hearts, as a beacon of humanity lighting the path of compassion, respect, and connectedness. From ancient civilizations to modern faiths, this inner sight echoes powerfully. Let's begin this journey with Chief Seattle of the Duwamish and Suquamish tribes, who once proclaimed, "The earth does not belong to man, man belongs to the earth." These words are a call to awaken a deeper truth within us. Connected as we are to creation, humanity has an intrinsic duty to recognize and foster this relationship. For Chief Seattle, this was not merely a statement, but a spiritual guiding principle, one that illuminates our need for stewardship and respect for the environment. Now let us traverse to another corner of the globe, to the vast Australian landscapes rich with the legacy of the Aboriginal peoples. Through their sacred dream time, the elders convey that the laws of existence are lyrically inscribed in the land, the skies, and our spirits. The wisdom of the rocks and the songs of the earth, as they believe, allow us to understand that we are interconnected. Spiritual sight for them necessitates not only looking at the land, but being a part of its eternal story and rhythm. From the earth-centered traditions, we pivot to the revered words etched in the Quran, revealed through the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to people, he taught. Imam al-Ghazali, reflecting deeply on such teachings, emphasized that spiritual inner vision is about nurturing compassion and kindness. It's through such sight that believers are meant to see not just humanity, but all of creation through the lens of love and responsibility. And now to the serene gardens of the East, where Gautama Buddha spoke to those seeking enlightenment. "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think," he said. His teachings reveal that true illumination comes not through visions of the eyes, but through insight of the mind and healing of the heart. Spiritual clarity is attained by surrendering negative emotions and fostering wisdom, patience, and love. What unites Chief Seattle, the Aboriginal elders, Islamic teachings, and Buddhist philosophy? Across continents, millennia, and faiths, their wisdom converges on a singular truth. The real vision lies within us. It is a vision born not in seeing, but in feeling. A feeling sparked by kindness, unshakable respect, and humanity's unity with each other and the planet. When we embrace this truth, we become the salt of the earth, a single grain in billions yet essential to the whole. As this journey concludes, take a moment to reflect on the shared threads of these teachings. Regardless of borders, languages, or customs, the essence of this wisdom is universal. When we pause to see with our hearts and embrace the gift of inner vision, we unlock a peace and unity we thought unattainable. Let this be the call to action, to live as threads in the tapestry of creation, continually weaving a brighter, harmonious future for generations to come.